Greetings everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. Today we're talking about a wig by Zury Sis, Zury Hollywood, from the Sassy collection called Keri. She is in the color Sombre 2730. She is a gorgeous premium synthetic bob. Gots to love this color. Look at the part. The part is very natural, kind of a curved part, as you could see. In the inside, there are two clips at the top and a clip at the bottom with adjustable straps. This wig is very comfortable. This is not a lace front. It comes just as it is. I took it out of the pack, popped it on my head like so, and boom. Didn't do any styling of any kind. Didn't add any heat, although you can add heat to this unit. But y'all, this wig is so soft. Will not tangle, I'm almost for certain, because Zury's wigs, they are well put together. So yes, this wig is a side part wig. The part is on your right side for anyone who wants to know. This wig does come in a wide variety of colors and no shedding of any kind. I am not exaggerating when I say that. No strand, not even a small strand, came out of this wig as I pulled down on it. If you're interested in this wig, you will find the link in the description box. Or if you don't see a link, do comment and ask for the link. I will be happy to assist you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
What are you, an Eagle Scout? Talk to me. Never look down on him. Maybe go out on a limb. If I get your bangs trimmed, don't lose me. Every winter it snows. Always snip from your nose. You got that shining glow. Talk to me. Never know what you're gonna do next. Pick up the phone and answer your text. You know that I don't like you anymore. I know that I've been spiteful in the wrong. But I know that I was lied to by you before.